if I can interrupt you for a second.
Yes, sir.
It's also illuminating because that's how people move into leadership. They take advantage of the opportunities that are in the environment.
Yeah.
So it's not magical thing that you're going to automatically become a leader. It can be very determinative on the basis of availability of leadership positions, the kind of opportunities to get education, the kind of opportunities to get experience, the kind of mentoring you might have. There's a lot of stuff that goes into that. But if you are smart, and I think a large part of this is whether you're smart, is can you identify those things in the environment that seem to be operative? And that's what happened with me. I saw an opportunity to work with these folks in an unexplored area, and I went right ahead and did it. It's been very, very compelling.
Yeah, that actually, you're hitting on some. I did a study in the paper, actually is currently under review. I'm hoping it is accepted soon, but where I was looking at success in among academic leaders at a large, prestigious medical school, and was asking them about what does it take to be successful. And a number of them, 29, in fact, of the 40 that we did these in-depth analysis interviews on analysis, 29 of them said, "Oh, it was luck. It just happened that." And they rattle off all these things. It just happened they went to Harvard. It just happened that they became, the chair of orthopedic surgery at a world-renowned institution. It just happened. I just fumbled into this, and that doesn't sit well with me because I think that's totally bogus. And so started analyzing what is serendipity, what is luck, and one of the things that you were just mentioning is the reason it reminded me. So there were I identified 3 P's, and then the fourth thing, which you were just talking about, first is position, being in the right position, preparation is the first. You've prepared yourself, you've studied, you've worked hard, you've done these things to give you the opportunity to have a chance to do something. Second is then position. You're in the right place when this thing happens because of the preparation that you did. And then the third thing is promotion. Somebody, or what other people might call sponsoring or things of that nature, is somebody said, "Hey, here's a great opportunity for you. You should go after it." Or, "Hey, here is Rich Arvey. You want this guy on your team." So promotion. And then the fourth thing, which you are hitting on, is you seized it. You went out and you saw the opportunity and you grabbed it. And so I think this idea that you're just hitting on when it comes to leadership and most things in life is the ability to recognize an opportune moment and not having the doubt or the fear or whatever it is that keeps you from grabbing it.